welcome back to my book channel. My name is Lauren from Lauren Explorer. Today is a rate my hair up day, but I wanted to get this out. I had this for a couple of days, but I've been busy so I could unbox it. But I finally got my Mystic and I am very happy. I don't actually remember what the books were for this box, and I was going to get the Belle box, which is the sister company for Mystic in Arcane Society, but I only wanted one book from that box and not the second book. So I'm hoping that someone is going to like resell their book on like Mercari or like Pango so I can get that book. And yes, because I did like it. Like, it's one of my like first, you know what, never mind. If I get the book, I'll do the whole spiel about it. But let's unbox Mystic because I completely forgot what this book was. Books, I mean. Also, I like wearing oversized things, but I'm realizing it's not flattering to my figure on camera. But I can't help it. I feel very comfortable. Okay, so I won't look at the card because the card has the author letter and like the art prints. Because again, I forgot what this book was. Books were. Oh, Lilith Vincent. Oh yes. Okay. Brutal Conquest and Fear Me, Love Me. We love. I have been thinking of doing finishing my TBR bookshelf, the big one, but just haven't had the opportunity to do it. Now that the Bright Side Candles is out of the office because of going to Babe, I think I'll have time to do it, and we'll at least finish, I believe, the fourth, fifth. Yeah, I believe the fourth shelf. I have more books in it because when I went to the P and S location for a Bright Side and helped out with shipping and packing orders, I got all of my books there that we had in stock. So yes, I have more books on that shelf. And I believe since we started shipping Bully out before we left for Babe, I can now show all of the books I have for Babe. I just can't show October, which is cheating. But Brutal Conquest, we are loving. Yes, yes, yes. And let's see the artwork. This is definitely for Fear Me, Love Me, and Brutal Conquest. Gotcha. We're here for it. And that is it for this unboxing. I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, evening, night, wherever you are in the world. Lauren out.